Guys, welcome to another video. Arnav here, and today we're going to be doing a recreate of one of my popular videos. So today we're going to do how to make a paper airplane 2.0. So today we're going to teach you how to make a stunt plane. It can bounce off carpets, can bounce off literally just anything. Now, let's move on right to the video. Guys, so I'm going to use a pretty bad piece of paper. I tried to rip it out of a notebook, but failed miserably. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the thing and you're going to fold it down like that. So then you make it good. Then you take this and you fold it down like that. Then what you got to do is you got to take another fold and take it down the fold like that, okay? I'm going to go a little slower. Then you take it down again and you fold it like that. And then what you got to do is, if you see that little flap right there, then wait. And then you take it, and then you put it up like that, and then you flip it over to crease it, make the wing, go the other way, and make the wing. You can pause through the video to go through certain parts, and there you have your this point. It's pretty bad, but this is what you would get if you go a little patienter than me. Okay, let's go. Once you get your finished piece like this, you're now going to take it down, and you can just go wherever you want to go. Mama? So you can go like 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, it went well. Okay guys, that's literally the end of the video. Before you do anything else, please subscribe and comment on this video and give a big thumbs up on this video. Well, bye!